Hi folks, welcome to Guarantee. I'm Randy. Today I'm going to show you a nice pre-owned 2018 Heartland Sundance 2890 rear lounge. Let's take a peek. Hey, check this out in here. Very nice, very clean, nice woods with a great island. Very nicely separated with a lot of pantry storage, stainless steel appliances, a big TV, a nice couch in the back for a guest bedroom. It has a nice couch, theater seating on this side for watching TV that are recliners. And then a dinette across, a table and chairs across the side here with nice overhead lighting and big windows, which lets a lot of light in here. Walk-in closet area for when you first walk in to put your coats, and big pantries. This thing has a lot of kitchen, pantry area, and dish area, which makes it really nice. Up in the bedroom, there's a massive slide out with a bunch of wardrobes and built-in cabinets for hanging and built-in drawers. That's a queen bed. Very, 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 very nice layout in a smaller, low profile, easy to tow fifth wheel that's been well taken care of. Nice lighting, big air conditioner, lots of outside storage. This is one to come take a peek at because it's clean. It will not be here very long because of its price point and of its condition. Hey folks, thanks again for taking a look at some of our nice inventory today. Again, my name's Randy. If you'd like to come look at this or anything else, feel free to ask me when you get here. See you later, guys.